In a twist of events that shook the reggae world, Vybz Kartel, a name synonymous with dancehall music, took his appeal for his murder conviction to the Privy Council. This was not just any appeal, but one that held the attention of millions across the globe, creating ripples in the music industry and the justice system alike. This Jamaican artist, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, was initially convicted for murder, a charge that came as a shock to many. But it was his decision to appeal this conviction to the Privy Council, a move as unprecedented as it was unexpected, that really made waves. You see, the Privy Council, based in England, is not your everyday appeals court. It is the highest court of appeal for several independent Commonwealth countries, including Jamaica. For a case to reach this level, it must be of significant importance, and Kartel's case was no exception. This appeal was not just about Kartel, but it was also about the justice system and the music industry at large. It brought to light questions about the intersection of celebrity, crime, and the law, and its implications were far-reaching. Kartel's bold move was a game-changer, setting the stage for a series of events that would keep the world on its toes. From the moment Vybz Kartel decided to appeal, a domino effect of events ensued. The world of reggae and dancehall came to a standstill as Kartel, a beacon of these genres, took a step that would fundamentally alter the course of his life and career. The journey began with the meticulous preparation of legal documents. Lawyers worked tirelessly, poring over every detail of the case, searching for a loophole, a glimmer of hope. Their dedication was a testament to the gravity of the situation. Every word, every sentence, every argument was scrutinized and refined. This was a battle fought not just in the courts, but in the minds of legal geniuses. Meanwhile, the reaction of Kartel's fans and critics was a spectacle in itself. Fans rallied behind their icon, their faith unwavering. They flooded social media with messages of support, their voices a chorus of hope and belief. Critics, on the other hand, were skeptical. They questioned the fairness of the appeal, sparking heated debates. But amidst the chaos, one thing was clear. Vybz Kartel had touched lives, and his appeal was a matter of personal significance to many. The impact of the appeal on the reggae and dancehall community was profound. It was more than just a legal proceeding. It was a statement, a message. It reminded everyone that artists, despite their fame and success, are human and fallible. It highlighted the power of resilience and the relentless pursuit of justice. Key moments and turning points in the case were not just legal milestones, but emotional roller coasters, each one leaving a lasting imprint on the community. As the legal machinery chugged along, the countdown to the appeal began. Each passing day added a layer of anticipation, a dash of anxiety. The corridors of justice were abuzz with speculation. Would the appeal be successful? Would Vybz Kartel be vindicated? The questions hung in the air, their answers locked away in the future. As the date of the appeal drew closer, anticipation and tension reached fever pitch. The world waited with bated breath. On February 15th and 16th, 2024, the Privy Council in England convened to hear Kartel's appeal. This wasn't just any appeal, it was one that reverberated through the chambers of justice, echoing in the hearts of reggae and dancehall fans worldwide. Kartel's legal team presented a compelling case, challenging the evidence and questioning the fairness of the original trial. They argued with the eloquence and passion that's often heard in Kartel's music, seeking to overturn the murder conviction that had sent shockwaves through the global music community. The response of the Privy Council was equally resolute. They listened, they questioned, they deliberated. It was a dance of legal minds, a symphony of arguments and counter-arguments that held the world in suspense. And the world was indeed watching. This wasn't just about Kartel. It was about the influence of reggae and dancehall music, about the cultural significance of an artist who had risen from the streets of Jamaica to the global stage. The appeal was a landmark moment, not just for Kartel, but for the entire music industry. Vybz Kartel's appeal to the Privy Council was more than just a legal battle. It was a defining moment in music history. This case has left an indelible mark, not only on Kartel's own career, but also on the global reggae community. The legal intricacies of the appeal drew attention to the justice system, prompting widespread discussions and debates. The impact of this appeal has been far-reaching. It has not only influenced the progression of Kartel's career, but it has also shaped the trajectory of the reggae genre itself. The ripples of this case have been felt worldwide, sparking a global response that has transcended borders and cultures. Beyond the realm of music, this appeal has also had significant legal implications. It has highlighted the role of the Privy Council in the Jamaican justice system and ignited discussions about its relevance and effectiveness. As we continue to reflect on this historic event, one thing remains clear. Vybz Kartel's appeal to the Privy Council will forever be etched in the annals of reggae and dancehall history.